So I lived in Vancouver where we had mountains all around us, but whether you're, maybe leaving Colorado or heading towards Colorado, the last thing you want to do is be going up a mountain, getting hit with sleet and snow. You start at the beginning of the day, it was nice and warm, and then all of a sudden you can't see out your windshield, and now a load is late because of a windshield wiper. Like, change your wiper blades, right?
Yes. We encourage doing that.
Not just so that you have more sales, but for safety.
Yes, and like we were saying before, really, that's priceless. And in terms of the value of what the wiper blades entails, it's a must as a preventive maintenance item. But if everybody were to follow that, our category would be about 3 or 4 times the size that it is. But we keep trying, and and we are seeing better results. People are buying the higher value products. More and more fleets, the good fleets, are certainly subscribing to the theory where they change wiper blades twice a year, etc. So those are great opportunities for our distribution.